Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to identify and remove viruses from Google Drive safely. Begin by pausing sync and disconnecting any synced device from your account. Open Drive. Google. Com and check recent and shared with me for suspicious files. Look for unknown file types, executable extensions, or unexpected large files over 100 MB. Do not open any file you suspect. Quarantine by moving to a separate folder. Next slide covers scanning and cleanup steps you can perform right away. If your account shows unusual activity, change your password and enable two-step verification immediately. Run a virus scan using your local antivirus on files downloaded from Google Drive. Right-click a file and choose Download to scan it locally before opening it. If a file is flagged, delete it and empty your drive trash to remove it fully. Check connected apps and sites. Revoke access for any unrecognized or suspicious apps. Review drive activity and email notifications for signs of unauthorized sharing or uploads. Change account passwords and run a full system scan on all synced devices afterwards. If sensitive data was exposed, notify affected contacts and change any compromised credentials. Use Google Drive's version history to restore previous clean versions of non-infected documents. Enable two-step verification and set a strong password with at least 12 characters. Limit sharing permissions and prefer link access set to view only when possible. Backup important files offline and periodically scan backups with updated antivirus software. If you cannot remove infection, contact Google support and seek professional malware assistance promptly. Keep software and browser extensions updated to reduce future vulnerability risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.